Here is a link to the textbook I am writing for this class. You are not required to read it. You are required to watch the videos on Canvas because they contain additional information not found in the textbook. But let's talk about the free textbook. I stopped using textbooks for this class and instead started writing my own because all of the QuickBooks textbooks out there have major flaws. Most have good parts, but all have bad aspects, and most leave out stuff you need to know to actually use the software on the job. Let's click the link and check it out. So I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to download the whole thing by clicking here so we can see the whole thing. And here is what it looks like. Notice it's a Word document and has a table of contents. Let's say you want to skip to the section about deleting a vendor. To do so, you point to the link, hold down the Control key, and then click on the link to follow the link. And it jumps to the section about how to delete a vendor. So it shows you the two steps. Here's the first step, and then the second step to delete a vendor. Pretty simple. Students have requested lots of screenshots, so I have done that. Many of the textbooks you pay a lot of money for have very few screenshots. Because this document has so many screenshots, it may look very long, but it's really not. So let me go back to the table of contents. And then at the end of chapter 2, I'm going to show you another feature. So this is called the procedure summaries. So if you want to see an even shorter summary of how to delete a vendor, you would click here. And this tells us how to delete a vendor. So the procedure summaries at the end of the chapter are just that, procedure summaries. They're short and concise, but don't contain screenshots. So not only am I planning, recording, editing, and publishing videos for you, I am writing a free textbook for you. What I have done with it is taken the best from textbooks I've used over the years, and I left out the unimportant stuff that textbooks insist on charging you for. Now note, this is not a finished product, especially later as I add chapters. Also, I will continue to be adding to this and improving it over the years. In the future, when this class is done, if you want a copy of the updated version of it, just email me. QuickBooks changes over the years and I will be updating this document. Just realize it's a work in process and it will have snippets from different textbooks. So it's not a polished product and probably won't be for a while.